Hey everyone, I made it into Tuesday morning and I do have some Easter here. Look at this girl in her pink vest. She's 25 and they have a blue one and a nice egg here. Look at that, isn't that pretty? Always different items in Tuesday morning. Oh, look at that one is 10. Oh, she's cute. And then one in the basket for 15. So we have some glitter. Oh, you know what? I like this guy back here. I bought a large bunny. Like when stores opened from the pandemic. It was 99 cents at Ross. It's a large pottery one. It's really nice. Look at all the macaroons for 20. She was gonna hog them all, but look at this guy. Do you like him with the little birdie? He is 50.
He's fancy.
He is. He has a velvet coat. That's a fancy one. I've never seen one like that. And these eggs are $12.99. They only have a little bit. I like these type of eggs. They're 15. Colorful popcorn. You get 3 in here for 15. Oh, look at this one. Let me pick it up. This one is 17. Oh, I like the couple on a little carrot bench. That's really cute. I think it's really cute. 17. I've never seen that one with a carrot bench. She kind of has like a tutu body, like a furry one. Happy Easter. It's that egg again. That's all, I think this is all they have. And that's 20. Okay. So we have the gold bird and the gold bunny. Let's see, I could pick the pink one up. These are 35. And 29. I think the rest down here might be the same. Okay, these are just larger, but look at that, really different. That's 25. And they do have bunnies with like the lantern. There's a bunny head. Little bunny head and this girl. Little one. And they do have like a little girl. There's a few more. Okay, tons of Anna Lee. Some of these are 20. Oh, this one has like a little jelly bean cart for 17. That's kind of cute. I haven't seen that one with the jelly bean.
No, me either. Those look like real jelly beans too. That's cool.
They do.
Don't eat them.
These are 30. Okay. Oh, here's the chocolate ones. These are always my favorite. 20. That's 20. There's a little boy one with his little hat. I like their little checkered boots.
This looks like a berserk Ralphie.
Yeah.
Gone crazy.
That's 20. And this reminds me of the at-home store. There's tons for 17. Okay. And 35 for the wreath. And then a few signs. This one is, wow, that's 40. Okay. Here's carrots if you need some. They're 15. That's 5. Look at the dogs. Look at that shepherd. Look at this shepherd, baby. Almost looks like a fox. You see it?
In the back of the truck.
Yeah. And there's this one. Oh, is that a flag? Yeah, that's 8. Kitchen towels are 7. Okay, you do get 2 in them. And of course, Winnie the Pooh. Follow the bunny. He has chocolate. It's a cat one. These are cute. And that one's each. Oh, look at that one. And then Stitch, of course. You get 2. I believe they're the same from last year. The same plates. You can also find this in Home Goods. The Chick Man for 5. Then we have a little bunny one. Polka dot ears. These are 4. I like this one, Crunch Crunch. It's actually kind of cute. Let's see. Oh, no price. Oh, 13. Looks like a little salt and pepper shakers. Ooh, that is so nice for 13. And same with this one, 13 as well. $5.99 for the bunny. And these are $6.99. They're glass. It's $5.99. 8 is a little cake stand. These are melamine. Ooh. I haven't seen this one. Look at that large one. For 15. Okay, it looks like table runners in here. These are 15. Gold, silver, and pink. There's like a wipe away Disney one. They're 7. They might all be the same. And then we have mugs. No mugs. I know you guys are over them. Gnome. That's a cute funny one. So dark in here. This one with bunny ears for 5. There's a pink one and this white. Oh, there we go. And a few napkins. These are 5. So all the same. Oh, there's like a little Peter Rabbit back there for 5. I like this, like vintage. We always find this here. The bunnies. It's a long, like, pot holder. You never find this one. It's kind of cool.
Yeah, I think so. I know. Yeah, I never see potholes.
It's lotion.
Stores either. I just see oven mitts.
There's a vintage one in green. Let's eat and check out this bowl right here. Isn't that kind of cool? That's only 13. Okay, I found a chick back here busting out of an egg. She is 25. And these eggs down here are 8. Some more bunnies for 13. These are cute. I like how they look like they're carved. They're 20. We have Easter. Okay, and there's one with like pink ears. Oh, how much? I think 40.
$50.
Oh, they're 50.
Lights up like this.
Okay, yeah. Alright, you guys. I think that's it right now for any Easter. Here's some spring like tablecloths. They're going to be 13. You have like your fruit one. And then they have like 75% off on Christmas. I like Christmas. Okay, we have a birdie in here. Kind of like that chick. Oh, but look how interesting. It's like a blowfish salt and pepper shaker. I've never seen that.
These are cool.
And then we have your lemon butter dish. Oh, very interesting. Freshly squeezed in the back. This is only $6.50. The next to it is $9. Oh, here's a pinky one too with butter. These are kind of cute. A little cup. And that is $6.50. $6.50. How are you guys? I think I'm gonna go ahead and go. I'm like the only one in here, so it feels kind of weird because it's just the workers and they're kind of just watching me. It feels weird. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one. Okay, look at this. I need that. Little tortilla warmer, or to hold them. $7.50.